Okay, children. So next we are going to discuss about decimal numbers, how to write in the form of P by Q. So means continuation of 11th part. So here, see, let us see first question. Express 0.4 bar in the form of P by Q. P by Q nothing but the form of rational form, means rational number. So here, listen carefully. So given decimal number, given that 0.4 bar. So bar is nothing but a recurring number. So means 4 is repeating value. So means we can write 0.444 so on. So after writing this, see the given problem, take means let x is equals to, so the given problem we have to take as x. So x is equals to 0.4444 so on. So take this one is equation number 1. So the first one is when we are taking the given one as x, means x is equal to the given problem, the equation you have to take as 1, first equation. Then after periodicity. So how much here? Under the bar how many digits are there? 1 digit. So the periodicity is 1. So when the periodicity is 1, then the given problem means the first equation we have to multiply with 10. If the periodicity is 2, means 0.14, if you will get the periodicity is 2, then we have to multiply the first equation with 100. If the periodicity is 3, the first equation we should multiply with 1000. If the periodicity is 4, the first equation we have to multiply with 10,000, like we have to multiply. So the periodicity is 1, then the given the first equation we have to multiply with 10. So multiply the equation 1 with 10 on both sides. Right. So first equation this only, no? Then we have to multiply this one. So means 10 into x, both sides means left side and right side. 10 into x and 0.4444 so on into 10. So 10 into x, 10x. Then when we are multiplying the decimal numbers with 10, 100, 1000, like the decimal number moves to the right side as many zeros. Already we have discussed in the previous classes. Here how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So the decimal point moves to after how many digits? 1 digit. So means here what we will get? So the decimal point comes to here. That means 4.444 so on. So this one is you have to take as second equation. Then after getting first equation and second equation, you have to subtract, means from second equation minus first equation. From the second equation, you have to subtract first one. See children here, carefully. Second one is 10x is equal to 4.444 so on. And the first one is x is equals to 0.444 so on. So we are subtracting. Right. So here 0, 0, 0.4 minus 0, 4. That is equal to 10x minus x, 9x. Then x is equals to 4 by 9. So this is then how to represent the decimal number, means the bar numbers we are writing in the form of P by Q. So here 0.4 bar is equal to 4 by 9. So here this is for given 4 marks and 5 marks like 8 marks. Then if the value bit, what we will do? So there is small trick. So in the next classes we will discuss about that. First let us complete this first problem complete and we will go for the next one. So shall I have this children? Okay. So here this periodicity, to find out periodicity is very important. Then the multiplication of equation on the both side with 100 or 10,000 like that is very important. Based on the periodicity, the given which equation we are taking as 1, that is we have to multiply. So first one over and the second one same we are representing in the form of P by Q. Right. So what is the given number? 15.732 bar. Here observe carefully, only we have bar for 32 only. So let x is equals to 15.7. This 7 is not repeating value, only 32 is repeating. So we can write 32, 32, 32, so on. This one is take as equation number 1. Now what is the periodicity? Right. So that is periodicity is equal to, under the bar how many digits are there? Two digits. So that's why the periodicity is 2. So if the periodicity is 2, the first equation we have to multiply with, yes, we have to multiply with 100. So multiply equation 1 with 100. Why we are taking 100 children? Because the periodicity is 2. In the before question, the periodicity is 1. We are multiplying with 100 with 10. If periodicity is 2, we are going to multiply with 100. If periodicity is 3, we have to multiply with 1000. Like according to the periodicity, we should multiply with 100 on both sides. Right. So here 100 into x is equal to 15.73232 so on into 100. So here 100 into x 100x. Then here 2 zeros are there. The decimal point moves to right side as many zeros, means this point we will get after 2 digits, means after 73 here we will get. So 15, 73 point, here 2, again 32, 32, 32, so on. This is equation number 2. Then we know from 2 minus 1. Right, what is the second equation? 100x is equals to 1573 means 1573.2323232 so on. And the first equation is x is equals to 15 means the decimal points we have to write in order. So means 15.15 Write 7, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, so on. Now subtraction. Right, 0, 0, 0. Here 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7, not possible. So you know very well, like in the small classes. So it will become 10 means 10 to 12. So 12 minus 7, 5. So here how much will be? Again 2. Means if you take 10 carry, it will become 12. Then 12 minus 5, 7. Then here 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Then 15, 15 only. Right now here 100x minus x, 99x. Then here, then x is equals to 1557.5 by 99. So here, then again you have to remove this point. Then x is equal to already in the previous class we studied. If you remove the point 15575 by 99. For this after the decimal point one digit, take 10. So we can get cancelled also with 5. So if you want to let it be, and if you want to cancel it, you cancel it. Then we can simplify more. So children, in the next based on this, we will discuss exercise problems in the next video.